Yo, what's up everybody? It's Sunday, it's fun day, it's moto day for me too, so let's go ride. I'm here at Scotty Scrub's place and we're gonna try and hit some freestyle ramps, so should be a pretty epic day. Heck yeah, a little windy to be hitting the freestyle ramp to the bag, which is not a big deal. Yeah, we're out here with a bunch of friends and we're gonna ride and have a good time, so come along with me as I go and hit the freestyle ramp for the first time on my 250. Yeah, should be a pretty epic day. I'm excited, a little nervous, but hey, that just means you're having fun, right? Get a little bit nerves going, I don't know, but let's go do it. All right guys, see you out there.
There.
Yeah.
So just a little bit more, you'll be right over it. Let's see it. Let's see a downside before everybody gets here.
Nervous and making stupid mistakes.
Yeah, that one's a little shorter, so you kind of have to be a little careful with the front. Like,
Okay.
I kind of pushed the front through that one. Push the front through it. It'll like spring you up like that. That's why you're like coming off like a dead here.
Okay. So like when you say pushing through, you're like staying real low.
Stay low, push, yeah, like don't let your like drop back like this.
Oh, I see. So you're trying to like lean into that.
Yeah, push into it like here. I'll do it.
I was scared shitless, but I did it, and I way over jumped it. But hey, we did it. So that was kind of nuts. I think getting stuff all over. Yeah, it's fun. A little dry out here, but honestly, I hit it, so it's only uphill from here. Super nerve-wracking. I'm still nervous as shit, but we'll get it down. We'll do some more riding. So heck yeah. Peace out, guys. Yo.
No panic revving today.
Whoa, dude. That's you.
Whoa.
What's going on, man?
How'd that get on there? That's weird.
What's up, Derek? How's it going, buddy?
Good to see you.
Right back at you.
Ready to ride?
I'm ready to ride. That's fun.
I want to see you fly.
Alright, let's see if I can go send it. Little short. Woo-hoo. Oh shit. That hurt a little bit. That wind catches me and it like blows me, and it's so sketchy to me.
Yeah, it might be a little too windy to set up the bag.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. That one, I landed super crooked and I dabbed my foot, and now it hurts. Like straight up landed on it.
You got the distance perfect though.
Yeah. It just I think because I'm sore, I'm trying not to buckle, but I feel like I'm buckling my knees and it's kicking me funny.
See this fucking Sur-on fly? Let's see it. Bazing!
I'm making it to the top.
Bazinga!
But it is she's loud when she lands.
A little clacky?
A little clacky.
I feel like that's about how the Grom will land.
Yep. Almost maybe a little further.
I mean,
Just seen that.
Land. I think
don't
that'll
know.
land about the same as the Grom.
You think the Grom can do that?
Oh yeah. Just right there, just up top for sure.
I think so.
I think it'll be just fine.
I think she'll handle it.
I mean, by the time you're landed up there, it's almost like you didn't even come off the ground.
Yeah. It's not too bad. Like once, if anything shorter is going to be hard, but if you once you make it, really kind of not fun. Like that last one was one of the softer landings on this one for sure. That wasn't so bad at all.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Have you just like rode off the lip of it, just landed on that little incline? It's probably not that bad.
No.
You know, you have to be going pretty fucking slow.
I don't even know if it'd be worth doing that.
I was like, I don't even know. You'd have to go pretty fucking slow.
Well, as per usual, I forget to record, but yeah, so it ended up being an epic day. Rode a few more times, hit the ramps a few more times. It got really windy, started blowing me a little weird, so I decided just gonna call it and hopefully go back in a few days and go hit the bag. Too windy today to hit the bag, so what do you do? But it's still super fun. I think the full gap from the lip of the ramp to where we were landing at was about 55 feet. So that's pretty sweet. It was actually really fun. So I've never really done that before, and it was way different, and yeah, it's super fun. So thank you for watching. Keep on tuning in for more content. Yeah, heck yeah, we'll see what we can get next week, or this coming week. Maybe we can go ride some more and check it out. I'm heading home, so go get bike unloaded and get bike work and shit done, get the bike cleaned up and ready to go for next time. So all right guys, thanks for watching videos, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, see you then.